Yeah, 1, 0. Tat on my wrist, fuck counts on the other. I don't trust none of my brothers. Yes, in the dot, young nigga gon' rush. Send me a little trail with more like brothers. Me and Lil Cam, got it out to go. Yo, it's your boy Don Julio checking in with another video. We vlogging today. We out here at that boy Ghetto. He just dropped a 5 song. We out here like a little meet and greet, you know what I'm saying, for the YouTubers, you know, the content creators. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I want to say thank you to all my supporters, you know, going up. Oh yeah, you know, we still rockin' trues, by the way. I don't know how y'all do it where y'all stay at, but hey, we still rockin' trues, you know what I'm saying? Got the lenses on, ain't crazy. You know, so we're gonna walk in here and see what they talking about. We're gonna keep it cool. Stay tuned, Don Julio, we out. Yo, but we back, man. It was just raining out that bit, man. But hey, man, with my man Zuma, man, I just met him, man. We out here networking, man. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hey, what's good? My name is Takeoff Zuma. I'm a producer, engineer, all the way from the Midwest. I'm out here at this networking event with Julio. Just met him. We going crazy.
So, yo, we back out here, man. Hey, we out here networking again, man. My boy Kyrie, man. Another Cooper, bro.
Yes,
sir. From Philly, man.
Philly, I already know, man. 267, bro. Down here in the dirty South, man, trying to meet some new people, man. I really just be vlogging and shit like that. My man right he said he be hooping this shit, so I might link up with him. We might have to bust him in his ass.
That's all it is to it. Hey, we might need to show, man. That's really what they want to see, shit. I got my 2-on-2 partner, which I want to do. Let me know. Let me know in the descriptions what I want to see.
Yes, sir. Keep fucking with, bro. Real niggas, man. Real niggas.
My name is Shanye. I'm an influencer model. I'm a video vixen. I'm a host, promoter, a dancer, whatever you want to call it. You know, video. And my IG is I am Shanye. That's IAMSHONY.
These niggas got us waiting outside. I don't know what they got going on, bro. They got a line out here, you know what I'm saying? I don't even think bro out here yet. I don't know if we're gonna be out here too much long. Y'all know how I get. I don't like really just sitting out here. Yeah, while we waiting, let's go ahead and say, make sure y'all check out my last one-on-one game. It was alright. I got another one that's dropping soon, by the way. Like I said, we're doing one-on-one tours through anywhere.
Listen, man, we out.
I don't got my tripod, so this is gonna be too much recording, okay?
It's all good, but we out this.
I'm right up.
Yo, so I got you right here.
Hey, yeah, all my shit the same. My YouTube the same
Hey, yo, that's outside. I be just hoping, bro.
Hey, we need that because we trying to get this little league started. We got a gym and shit. Yeah. So I'm saying if you can push up to that.
One-on-one?
Nah, we finna start doing 5s, we finna start doing 1s, 2s, all that shit. You know how we finna try to do what they doing right now. You get what I'm saying? We can do something.
Hey man, they finally letting us in, man. Some people told me they told us about the status jewelry, man. That's where I got my bracelet from, by the way, no cap. So yeah, we already friends. You got a big roller toy? Yeah, we already did, man. This shit right here. Finally in that bit, bro. Let's see what this shit talking about. They got folks in the office. They got folks in the office in that bit. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, I forgot to get the shit. Don Julio ain't gonna cap, we in that bit. It's lit too. There's a lot going on. Hey, how you doing? It's lit in here, you know what I'm saying, man? We finally got in, but it's a lot going on. So we had to come up here to the front, man, so I can talk. It's so loud, I know you ain't gonna be able to hear me. But it's definitely going down, bro. I don't know how long we're gonna be here though, but you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I did a lot of networking with people, a lot of good networking, a lot of people knew me. I know a lot of people in there. So, you know, we're gonna cut it for right now. We're gonna see what's going on later on, but if not, Don Julio, we out. Yo, man, it's your boy Don Julio again, man. We outside, man. I ain't gonna lie. It was a great vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know, we ain't gonna say too much, but it's time to go. You know, I seen some people, met some people. I tapped in with the Status Jewelry. I tapped in with Ace. That boy Ace said he be fucking with me, watching my videos and shit. You know, shout out to him. Shout out to Status Jewelry. You know, but like I said, other than that, man, we're just gonna keep it. We're gonna keep it steady. You know, so I got one-on-ones coming up. I got one. Actually, I got specific one-on-one coming up November the 10th. Make sure y'all tap in. I don't know who I'm gonna play, but it's gonna be great content. We're trying to put on for the A, man. Show y'all some stuff. Show what we really doing out here. Shout out to Next Chapter, man. They really taking over, but we're trying to start something like them. They inspired us, man. We're gonna keep it going. Yo, what's up? We back, man. We at LA Fitness, man. It wouldn't be a video without hoops, man. But I ain't gonna lie to you, I look like it's kind of dead out here. So depending on how it go, man, you know, we might not get no budget today, but I just wanted to see y'all again, man. We still out, we still live, we still, you know what I'm saying, we still doing that thing, man. Down Julio, we out. Make sure y'all tap in, man. One's coming soon. All ones coming soon, man. We finna just start pushing up on folks, man. It's about that time to start stepping on next, man. I don't really pop it like I used to. I'm finna get right back to it, man. Bow. Yo, it's your boy Don Julio back with yet another scene, man. We in LA Fitness today. I'm gonna go ahead and get the look. I'm gonna go ahead and get my little lift in, man. Like I say, you can't be a complete basketball player if you ain't trying to work. You gotta get bigger, bro. Like I say, I ain't all the way there like I want to be, you know what I'm saying? But I'm getting there. But I ain't no little nigga, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna start off, like I say, I ain't gonna show y'all too much, but like I said, when I come in here, we're gonna do a couple of squats. We're gonna do some running too, some cardio. It's very important to do your cardio as well. Like I said, make sure you tap in, man. I'll show y'all the gear what we got going on today. Good shoes and ready. Like I say, for all the people and the kids that, you know, want to do YouTube, just know that, you know what I'm saying, you always got to start from somewhere. Like I said, I got my own cameraman, but I also come around and do my own vlogs and stuff like that, you know, just to always keep myself in the loop. Like I say, I want y'all to know everything about me outside of basketball as well. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause like I said, I have a whole life, you know what I'm saying? I don't just hoop. I sell shoes, I do different things like that, so I want y'all to see more of my life too. I'm gonna get into more of the vlogs. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the gym. It ain't really too much going on in the gym. I decided to have a cardio day today. So y'all, I'm gonna get this lift in. I'll see y'all after the workout. Let's see what type of sweat I can break. All right, we back. So you don't gotta really, I just wanted to show y'all, you know, you don't gotta really lift too much. Like, so we finna do squats. Do a couple squats. Do about probably like 3 sets of 10 with abs as well. So I just wanted to show y'all, like, you know, I gain majority of my weight by eating right. You know what I'm saying? You don't gotta lift too much as a basketball player. You're trying to be something, you know, so you're trying to go pro and do all that pro stuff that you guys do. You know what I'm saying? At least learn how to do it right. So I'm about to knock out this next set, then we'll be back. I slick want to show y'all that. So I knocked out a quick 10 for y'all. Well, this is really 20 for me, but it's first 10 that y'all seen. I want to incorporate something that I like to do, and that's lift with no shoes on. So every time I do my squats, I don't have no shoes on. I'm flat-footed. I need to have as much support on the ground as I do. So that's why I don't have shoes on when I do it. All right, we had a good little section. I mean, a good little session. My bad. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna come over here. I got this little setup right here. I'm gonna knock out a couple pull-ups, and I'm gonna do a little weighted ball crunch. Again, I don't have my cameraman with me today. So y'all bear with me, man. I'm in here trying to do this vlog for y'all. Like I say, we're gonna get it done. Slam, back over, slam, back over, slam. But I'm gonna be in the crunch position. So. Then you do that 3 sets, 10 times. Other thing I'm gonna do. Crunch, chest, 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 chest. Do that 3 sets, 10 times. And you'll be finished with this. Stay tuned for the next scene. Yo, man, it's your boy Don Julio back, man. I bet y'all thought the vlog was over with. Nah, it ain't.
Hey, I want to take a moment to goddamn shout out my partner Aiden, man. Aiden going crazy with this gear, man. His YouTube, I mean his my bad, his Instagram gonna be in the description, by the way. Look, man. Yeah. But yeah, man, today, like any other day, you know, we hooping, but at the end of the day, I also sell shoes. And I got somebody that's buying some shoes. So, you know, we out here up here on the north side, man, Chanelville, man. Got the 12s in, got the good 12s in. You know, we have these, actually, bro, I had these when they came out in 2009, but I ended up selling them, you know what I'm saying? So I got my hands back on them. When I seen them, when they came in the mail, I was like, damn, man, you know what I'm saying? I really like these, man. I might keep these hoes, but I got a nigga that's putting it down, and he buying 2 pairs. So stay tuned. We finna get ready to pull up on him. And down Julio, we out. Hey, man, Soul X Chasers, we going crazy, we going crazy, we going crazy. Shout out to that boy Cam. Love. But I'm gonna tell y'all the crazy thing about these shoes, man. I really didn't really start being a shoe head until I started selling shoes. But I always had Jordans, I always had James growing up, cause my daddy liked Jordans, you feel what I'm saying? So my dad always had me fresh, he always had me clean, you know what I'm saying? But when my foot got big, it was over with. But I told myself when I got older, the shoes that I couldn't get, I was gonna always get. But I ain't gonna lie, I like these. That's why I keep touching on them like that. I ain't gonna cap, but stay tuned, man. Like, we going up with this shit, man. I really appreciate all the love that y'all showing me. I really appreciate all the, you know, all the dedication. Like, y'all really watch my life. Like, I really, like, fuck with that. No cap. Like, I really love all my supporters. And I appreciate every second, every moment that y'all watching my videos, man. Love. Down Julio, we out. Hey, man. I got one-on-ones coming up as well, too. We ain't ducking no smoke. We want the best of the best so we can be the best of the best. I'm coming. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, bro. I want to hoop against the best of the best. I ain't running from nothing. You feel what I'm saying? So all these big names, all these big YouTubers that's fire, like niggas that really can hoop, shit, I respect y'all, but at the end of the day, y'all gotta come see me. You know what I'm saying?
Like, shout out to my boy, you know, coming pulling up on me with the steals, 2 pairs of the 12s.
Yeah, man.
I mean, look straight.
No cap, man. We're gonna cop every time, man. Everything legit, everything real. Yeah, man.
Appreciate you coming out again.
Yeah. Yeah, and I really love this shoe stuff, bro, because it's like you meet new people, and you also, you know what I'm saying, you connect with other people, and then you never know what type of emotion they may have, so y'all just networking. That's all this YouTube stuff is, just networking. But stay tuned for another scene. Down Julio, we out. Yo, man, we back, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's tight cold out here. But since I'm on the north side, man, I decided I was on TikTok, man. This is place I know called Steamy's Lobster, bro. I'm finna put y'all down, bro. I done been here before. It's called Steamy's Lobster, bro. Make sure y'all pull up. I ain't gonna lie, they got best food. I'm finna show y'all the menu. Gonna do a quick little review, and I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna try something new today. I'm gonna let y'all know what it's talking about, man. Steamy's Lobster, bro. I'm telling you, pull up. So here's the menu. This is what they have. I actually been here before. It's real lit. I had the mac and cheese. I don't know if I'm gonna try something different today. We gonna see. Okay, so I ordered a shrimp roll, and I also ordered a lobster and shrimp grilled cheese. So we finna see what it tastes like. I'm gonna show y'all when it come out. I just want to let y'all know what I ordered, and when y'all come here, what to order. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, cause I don't really eat meat and all that. They got a lot of shit with bacon and all that, so I don't eat no meat, so that don't work out. But they got soups and stuff too. I actually got the menu for y'all. Make sure y'all take a look at that as well. So yeah, this is what I got ordered. It go to lobster and shrimp grilled cheese, and then I also got a shrimp roll. You know, I ain't gonna be using that, probably the limits. I ain't using no goddamn pickle or nothing like that. And I don't eat coleslaw, so it's over with. And I got my Callaway water. But yeah, man, I'm finna show y'all, you know what I'm saying? We finna see what this food really talking about. We finna see what it's talking about, see if it's really, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I already had the grilled cheese. We finna see what the roll talking about. I can see it. No, it's a glare right here. On the road. And I actually ain't had a roll last time, so it might actually be good. Shit good as fuck, my mama. And I ain't even ate nothing that morning. I went straight to selling shoes, so they first meal of the day. This shit is good. I'm gonna finish this real quick. Then we're gonna be back. Give me a minute.